Sharma Boy is the star of recent years in the field of Somali music. He is a young boy who has been given many gifts such as songwriting, composing, and singing both rap and classical songs. In addition, he is a brilliant artist. Also has the skills to market his songs. Sharma is very good at dealing with others. And that is why he achieved a lot of progress in his field. Therefore, he easily inspires a lot of young people who helped him to reach the level that he is today, as well as his tremendous efforts. Sharma holds a record that has yet to be broken. This record made him the most famous Somali star in a short period of time and at a very young age. It is also worth noting that Sharma has a very difficult way to pave the way to persuade Somalis to listen to rap or to be Somali. Although they were preceded by other people, it is because of him that rap has become something that is welcomed or popular in the Somali community. Until Somali leaders are sung at inauguration ceremonies. Sharma can also be praised as an artist who follows the feelings of the community and sings about what is going on. Sharma was born in 1999 and he was born in Puntland, especially Bertino. After that, he moved in Mogadishu with his mother. Sharma's education did not reach high level compared to his peers due to poor financial circumstances. Sharma is a father of only one son from another famous singer called Malyun Manka, who is also a talented and beautiful singer and friendly young woman. In the meantime, there was a problem between Sharma Boy and Malyun Manka. This problem destroyed their family. But for now, they are reunited. Sharma and his wife are now living in America. Thanks for watching.